Hello everyone, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's class we learn chapter 5 A2 level network book. Previous chapters of this A2 level you can find in the playlist, or I will give you the link below in the description. You can watch all the previous chapters. So the chapter is Ganz schön mobile. Mobile means mobility. When we travel from one place to another, we need Verkehrsmittel, transport, mode of transport, bus, car, taxi, bicycle, train, aeroplane. So what do we say these things in German, and related to these transport we learn some good vocabulary. I hope you are ready with paper pen and you will enjoy this class. So let's start. Verkehrsmittel, Flugzeug, das Flugzeug, aeroplane. Okay, Taxi, das Taxi, Fahrrad ist das Fahrrad, Auto, das Auto, Car, Zug, Bahn, both means train, but article is different. Der Zug, die Bahn, and der Bus. This is das Taxi, this is das Flugzeug. So these are some important, some common Verkehrsmittel that we use in our daily life. Now, when we are on the road, when we go somewhere, when we travel a distance, we use this transport, mode of transport, Verkehrsmittel. But we have some difficulty. There are some advantages, some disadvantages. Suppose some of these are umweltfreundlich, environment friendly, eco-friendly. They do not harm the environment. And some of these are not environment friendly. They pollute our environment. We should avoid them as much as possible. We should protect our environment. We should conserve our environment. We should keep it neat and clean, not for only us but also for further future generation. Everyone is talking about clean environment, so we should also do something for that. Okay, let's see some good vocabulary related to this. Okay, worksheets. Okay, vocabulary related to this. Umsteigen, it is separable verb. Umsteigen means change. When we use bus or train or flight, wir müssen umsteigen. We have to change. Umsteigen, müssen. Sometimes train doesn't go direct. Es gibt keinen direkt Zug. Es gibt keinen direkt Bus. Sie müssen umsteigen. You have to get down and change. That is called umsteigen. Suppose ich fahre von Mumbai nach Kerala mit dem Zug. Aber es gibt keinen Direktzug. Ich muss umsteigen. Ich muss in Chennai umsteigen oder ich muss in Bhubaneswar umsteigen. So I have to change in Bhubaneswar or in Chennai. These are common cities in India. So umsteigen means change. Next, im Stau. This is again a very big problem. We stuck in the traffic jam. Im Stau. Ich bin im Stau. Ich stehe im Stau. The verb is im Stau sein or stehen. You stand in the traffic jam. You are in the traffic jam. In that case, we kill the time. We are very upset. What the hell it's going on? I have wasted 1 hour in traffic. In that case, what do we prefer? We prefer public transport, so that we can get down and change. We can get down from this bus and take the new bus. But if we are in car, we cannot leave the car. We have to be there. So personally I find in that situation public transport is much better. We can change anytime. You can be of different opinion. Please write in the comment what do you think. Im Stau stehen. How many hours per year you spend in the traffic jam? There is a proper data on the website. You can check out. In a particular country, this data is different. But everyone face this problem. This is the biggest problem nowadays, traffic problem. Lot of traffic on the road and everyone is stuck in the traffic jam. You lost your precious time, and sometimes we get late just because of stau. So ich bin im Stau, ich stehe im Stau. Or es gibt Stau auf der Straße, there is traffic on the street. An der Ampel stehen, traffic signal, it's common. We have to follow traffic rules, we have to pay attention. We should stop at the red light, we should follow the instructions. This is very good. Being a citizen, we should follow the instruction and the guidelines. It makes our travel easier and safe. So an der Ampel stehen, ich stehe an der Ampel. Ich komme gleich. I'm just coming. I'm at the traffic light. Ich brauche noch 10 Minuten. I need just 10 minutes more and then I will be there. An der Ampel stehen. This is the vocab. An der. Dative. Yes. Verspätung haben. To be late. This is the noun Verspätung. There is also verb. Sich verspäten. Reflexive verb. Ich verspäte mich. Or you can say, ich habe die Verspätung. I got delay. I get delay. Because of traffic. Wegen des Staus. Because of genitive case. But this is traffic. Delay. Okay, Verspätung haben. Ich habe die Verspätung. There is also verb. I write sich verspäten. That means, okay, to get delay. Lange warten, definitely we have to wait long on the street. There is a long traffic jam and we are standing on the road. No choice, because we are traveling by our own car. We cannot leave the car. So ich muss lange warten. Das finde ich sehr schlecht. That I find really bad. I don't like this. Mir gefällt das gar nicht. Ich möchte nicht warten. I do not want to wait. Lange warten. Okay, move on. Some good vocabulary. Keinen Führerschein brauchen. Führerschein means driving license. So, what do you think? What is the most convenient mode of transport where you don't need Führerschein, driving license? Fahrrad, bicycle. It's eco-friendly, environment-friendly, and you don't need license. As far as I am concerned about India, we don't need driving license to ride the bicycle, but we need to follow the rules. We need to drive in a cycle lane. Eine Panne haben. Panne means puncture or tire puncture. Reifen, tire. Eine Panne haben, some problem with the machinery problem. I am traveling by car, suddenly there is heating up of the engine. Panne haben, there is a tire puncture. Panne haben. Ich hatte eine Panne. Ich hatte ein Problem. Ich fahre lieber mit dem Zug. Ich fahre nicht mit dem Auto. Ich habe Problem. I will not travel by car. I have problem. I will go by bus, go by train, or any other public transport. I prefer public transport. Eine Panne haben. Okay. Billig oder teuer sein. The most expensive is aeroplane. If you travel by air, it is the most expensive. And the car, bus, train are comparatively billiger, cheaper. Billig, cheap. Teuer, expensive. Eine Reise mit dem Flugzeug ist teuer. A journey with aeroplane, a journey by aeroplane is expensive. Eine Reise mit dem Bus ist billiger. A journey by bus is cheaper, comparatively cheaper than aeroplane. So you can say, you can write sentence, you can write a short note. Einen Fahrplan brauchen. You need a Fahrplan, travel plan. Sometimes we don't know the way. We use Google location, Google map, and with the help of the map, we reach the destination. So ich brauche einen Fahrplan. But there are some people who don't need Fahrplan. They know the destination. They drive very comfortably. Einen Fahrplan. Okay. Navi. Navigation. We use navigation. We say Navi. Navi. Now tell me in the comment, do you use navigation? Navi? Benutzen Sie Navi? How is your experience? Wie ist Ihre Erfahrung beim Navi, Navigation? Next, so Tankstelle müssen. If you are traveling by your personal car, you have to fill up the tank. You have to take the fuel. Your fuel tank should be full. Zur Tankstelle. Ich muss zur Tankstelle. Tankstelle, petrol pump, where we get benzene, petrol, diesel or any other fuel. Zur Tankstelle fahren. Ich muss zur Tankstelle fahren. Dann fahre ich weiter. First of all, I'll go to the petrol pump, I'll get the fuel and then I'll proceed. Then I will go further. Zur Tankstelle müssen oder fahren. If it is must, it's urgent, then müssen. Alle Plätze besetzt sein. In bus or train, seats are full. All seats are full. Alle Plätze. Plätze means seats. Besetzt is adjective here. Occupied. And the verb is sein. Alle Plätze sind besetzt. All seats are occupied, full. It happens to everyone. I hope it happened to me. It might have happened to you also. Please write in the comment. Have you faced this problem? Especially in the public transport. This is disadvantage. Sometimes we have to face this problem. We don't get seat. But there are some advantages also that we have seen. So that was our good vocabulary related to the transport. So thanks for watching. I will bring some more lessons. Chapter 5 is not yet complete. Keep learning, keep watching with me. Previous chapters, as I said, you can find in the playlist or below in the description. I'll give you the link. You can join us every day in the evening 9:30 p.m. for live class. Thank you so much. Bye bye.